When we comes to communication skill, we should focus on three things. First one is information, second knowledge, third wisdom. Information, actually we receiving vast amount of information in our daily life through interactions like with friends, family, colleagues, professionals, and reading newspapers, novels, books, philosophies, psychologies, or other source of information we are getting through reading, listening to good thoughts, radio, television, and some more amount of information we are listening. These are all information which are kind, mostly having some positive and some in negative. Why we need information? Our brain has having cells, so brain is processing that information through filtering all information into wanted information. So all unwanted information could be erased from our mind. Our mind is actually receiving and filtering wanted information and get into processing into the knowledge. A knowledge is a system which is takes some time to think in our mind consciously and subconsciously, then it is react to the condition, then it is react to the condition situation which is critical, difficult, easy. So anyway, our knowledge, after getting into the process which may be positive or negative, get into the wisdom. If your brain actually receiving positive information, then your mind become positive knowledge, and your character, your personality become positive. Then then of course your wisdom become positive, otherwise it's negative. So wisdom, what is wisdom? Wisdom is make ensure it not requires any time to react to any conditions or any situations, any circumstances in our personal life or professional life, which is readily available. Superpower of brain, that is wisdom. Wisdom is a product of our subconscious mind. Wisdom is result of processed knowledge. Here knowledge requires time to think, then react, but wisdom not requires even a second to react to any condition, any situations. So our wisdom is depending on knowledge. Knowledge subsequently depend on information. So we should listen, read, write, interact or people and receiving information only positive. Why? I already explained, information getting processed into knowledge. Knowledge information means processed information, knowledge becomes transformed into wisdom. What we are, that is character. What how we act is wisdom. So we should focus on our thoughts, actions that are product of wisdom. When our wisdom is strengthened, it actually having lots of positive vibes. We should interact with positive people, those who are thinking, acting, working in positive way. Then our life is also become positiveness. We are also started to think in positive vibes, positive work. Every action, every beliefs, and every reactions are depending on our wisdom and positive knowledge. So thank you.